I just want to get involved. I really just have the eagerness to help people. And I just want people to feel that and know that, I'm on their side and I'm going to fight for them, whatever their needs may be.
From your point of view, can you sort of outline what the Chelan County Clerk does for people?
Yeah. You're managing jurors, you're sitting in court minutes, you're delivering and processing court documents, you're going through processing applications for permits and passports. You're managing a team of about 19 people, whether that's your clerks or your court facilitators, and just making sure that everybody's on task and is very knowledgeable and has gone through proper training to provide quality customer service to the community.
People come in, they get trained in a clerical role or in a facilitator role, and then there's a better offer someplace else. How does the county clerk's office go about, or how should it go about, retaining people once they've come into the job?
I think this all comes back to budgeting properly and making sure that the taxpayers' money is spent properly. There's a whole bunch of different departments that we need to focus on, and obviously this is one of those departments that we really need to focus on retaining quality workers. If they're moving somewhere else, there's got to be a reason for that, and we need to assess the situation and figure out a solution collectively.
Right now you're dealing with 2 cases of driving while license suspended, vehicular cases that are pending in Chelan County District Court, and those, as you told me before we went on the air, date back to a DUI arrest in 2009.
Mm-hmm.
And so when people see that record and attach your name to it, what would you say to them as far as how you're dealing with the situation and why they should look past it?
Like you said, it was a result of a DUI back in 2009, over 12 years ago, and there was somehow in there I got a speeding ticket, and it affected the status of my license somehow a few years ago, and I was unaware of this status change, and I got pulled over because of the status of my license, and these 2 tickets are kind of coinciding together, but my attorneys are working diligently on getting this matter resolved and hopefully getting it dismissed, because we think that there is an error because it was so long ago. So I just hope that we can really focus on supporting our local law enforcement on going after violent crime and the war on drugs, and I don't want to focus on something as minimal as a traffic violation.